Hello everyone, myself Naeem. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to describe about my channel, Naeem ServiceNow blog. It's like what videos are going to come or what content in upcoming videos. So let's get started. Are you new to ServiceNow? Are you going to learn ServiceNow as beginners or from scratch? Or you are trying to learn new? Anyone who wants to learn ServiceNow for free can utilize this channel and ask for any queries. Do you have experience in ServiceNow? You want to get deeper knowledge and want to prepare for interviews? Then you are in right place. My channel presents you with basic to advanced level of ServiceNow. That means from scratch to complex development. All modules including integrations, all ITSM and ITOM modules and integrations like LDAP, SSO and third-party integrations. All demos and real-time scenarios. This means when you are in customer environment, what type of questions need to be asked from customer to develop respective modules. And with interviews related questions. At the end of each video, I'm going to add questions, what type of questions may come with respect to that topic. You can learn all these for free without paying extra money for any other coachings. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn service now. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.